Ever wonder how companies track their profits and losses? That's what an income statement does. It's the ultimate financial report card for any business. Imagine this: a company brings in a ton of cash. That's its revenue. Now, from that revenue, you subtract all the costs to make and sell its products, plus all the day-to-day operating expenses like rent and salaries. What you have left at the very end is the big number, the net profit or loss. The income statement lays all of this out clearly. It shows you the total money coming in, breaks down every single cost, and gives you the final score. It is a super powerful tool that helps investors and managers see exactly how well the business is performing over a certain period, whether it's a quarter or a full year. So, the next time you want to quickly understand a company's financial health, go straight to the income statement. It's your shortcut to seeing profit in action. If you want more finance tips explained simply, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.